The top 5 tips to trick your brain into forming successful habits. You might not know this, but your own mind is your own worst enemy when it comes to forming habits for success. Our brains seem to want us to fail at the exact same time that they want us to succeed. This results in getting in our own way when it comes to forming successful habits. One of the best ways that you can form these habits, in spite of your own efforts to keep you from succeeding, is by tricking your brain. These 5 tips will allow you to fool your mind into letting you be successful. Make it a game. Everyone loves games, and we are having fun when we are playing, no matter if you prefer the sports kind or RPG games like World of Warcraft. If you can make a game out of the habits that you are trying to achieve, complete with points, consequences, and rewards, your chances of those habits becoming permanent is much higher. Break it down into smaller steps. When it comes to making a habit, it can be intimidating if what you are trying to do is a big project. For example, if you are trying to form a habit of working on your online business every day, it can seem like a huge task. Breaking that habit down into small, bite-sized, and manageable tasks will allow you to take each of them one at a time. Pretend like you do it every day. It will take a great deal of time before a new task becomes habitual, but that doesn't mean you can't pretend like it isn't already there. Making your brain think that you have been doing this habit for years may trick your brain into making it a little easier for you to accomplish. Turn on some motivational tunes. Sometimes music can help us get more focused and release endorphins that make us want to work. Accomplishing tasks can seem like drudgery, but with music, they can be much more fun. Prepare by being successful beforehand. Finally, you can often trick your brain into being successful all day if you start the day right. Accomplishing a few small things first thing in the morning may set the tone for the rest of your workday and allow you to accomplish the tasks related to the habit you are trying to form.